welcome to the Deadline Challenge. My name is Hazmel. If it's your first time here, the Deadline Challenge is a way to document my learning process. I set a deadline for learning something brand new to me, and in the process, I record 1 hour of my day, documenting my process of researching and my process in learning. This is our sixth day trying to learn audio programming. The challenge was to learn audio programming in exactly 10 days. The challenge keeps proving to be hard and unachievable in 10 days. The hustle I had in the first 4 episodes was due to newly working with Windows, but I eventually decided to develop in WSL. In the last 2 episodes, we managed to get started with our first GUI app in JUCE. JUCE is the framework for developing audio program software and plugins. We were trying to create our own Oscillator standalone app. So let's continue. So here we go. Here are the stuff that I thought should be important to learn and we stuck upon. Some of them are just about JUCE and audio programming. Some are just about C++ because I am quite new to C++ too. Yesterday we managed to kickstart our application in CMake, but we had problems building it. So today let's see if we can build it successfully. Let's start VS Code. Stay hydrated. So here we are at our project. This is the CMake lists.txt. We managed to build our CMake with Ninja and it went successfully, but when trying to build with Ninja, we are facing problems. Let's try again today to see the problems we had yesterday. Here, as you can see, we have some problems, like we don't have GTK, so I think we should download that. And we have problems here. The juice header.h is not found, no such directory. So this means Ninja can't find them. Let's solve these issues one by one. Here's our first issue. Fatal error. Juice header.h, no such file or directory. This usually happens when you include the path are not set up correctly. Change the include path to in plugin editor from this to this. Not sure what's the difference. Okay, let's change it. Do I need to remove the build every time? I don't think I have to. So let's take a look at the other problem we're having. It's with GTK. I think we need to install the package. What other problems we have? Also about juice header.h. So we might need to change this into this. We need to install the libgtk3 development. Let's try building again. Create Ninja files with CMake. Okay, we've got a warning here, but I don't think it's as important. Let's take a look at our build now. If we still get the same issues, we're still having the exact same problem. So I think we need to delete the build directory and rebuild CMake again. And this should hopefully fix our problems. I don't think changing from brackets to quotes would fix this problem here. So it's still saying there is no file. After running CMake, you should see juice header.h in something like build juice library code. Let's see if it exists. Build CMake files juice. Still building. Build is done. Let's see if Ninja would work now. We have problems with the juice header and we still have problems with the GTK as well. We should see the header somewhere around here. Juice. I don't get it. Juice header.h. Let's search about this file, juice header.h, in the documentation. I want to see if anyone else has created an oscillator project. This guy here has created an oscillator. Let's take a look at this tutorial and see how did he manage it, because I think ChatGPT is leading me into a blocked road here. Okay, here he's using Producer. He created a basic plugin, not a GUI app. He added the DSP module. Let's take a look at his files here. He has 2 files for the plugin processor and 2 files for the plugin editor. Okay, here he's using juice header.h. The guy here suggests that he uses juice generate juice header. Let's see what this thing is. Where is the documentation for this? I can't. Does juice even have a documentation? I think that's why ChatGPT sucks at it, because it lacks a documentation. Master branch. Okay. Juice header. Juice. What? I can't find this in the documentation. You're using CMake too, in which case you will need to use juice generate juice header in order to correctly generate this header for your project. So we need to add this here, juice generate juice header. Now we have another problem with the GTK. Let's build again and see if we will still get the same problem. Okay, we're not getting this problem again, but we are having problem with the GTK thing. Okay, we need to include the packages in our CMake file. Does that mean we would need to add every library this way? Let's validate that we have GDK. We do have it, so we might need to add these here. So let's add them here. Now target link libraries, we need to add this down here in the target link libraries and remove this from here. Let's try CMake again. Okay, build files were created. Let's now use Ninja. And here we are. We've passed step 3. We've got problem with WebKit 2. Wait, let's ask ChatGPT here. Why did I need to add it through find packages? Is this the best practices? Is best practice in CMake when dealing with system libraries like GDK? Here's why you need it and why it's recommended. When installing GDK development packages like GDK 3 dev, they place headers and libraries in a standard system path, but not always in places that CMake searches by default. CMake doesn't automatically know. Okay, whatever. I can add this here to disable web browser. I think I made a typo here. It's not my app, it's Oscillator. I don't think I should have called it Oscillator, as this might be a keyword in JUCE or something. Let's build again with Ninja. Until it builds, let's take a look at what's causing this warning here. It's because we're using the deadline with a space. We should make it like this, the deadline. I wanted to take a look at my CPU and GPU usage while building this. Okay, CPU is 89. I'm also recording, so something might be affecting this. GPU is used by 27%. Can we use HTOP with this? I don't want to install too many packages as I'm having low space left. HTOP. We can see our 8 cores here. Only 1 core is being used. GCC, of course. I think we've got a little error here. You may have a conflict with parameter automation between VS2 and VS3 versions of your plugins. Don't think I need VS2. Where is that? If you don't care about VS2, you can disable VS2 by removing it from your formats. I don't have it. I don't have VS2 in my add plugins. JUCE might still be compiling VS2 related code due to JUCE VST3 can replace VS2 is enabled by default. Solution explicitly disable VST3. Let's add this in our compile definitions. Let's CMake again. Not sure when we need to remove the build directory and build it again, and when to just build without removing it. Takes so long time to see the effects. I don't know if I'm following the best practices here, because with this rate for me to see my changes would take so long time. We are at step 32. Last time we had this issue with step 36, 35. Okay, we have passed that step. Now we are at step 37. We've got another problem here. Okay, we need to install it. It's already installed, so we need to add it to our target libraries. Let's try again. We've got a problem here. This is a brand new problem. Just want to get this thing running today. So we've built our CMake once again. Let's go into build, run Ninja, and wish that it runs. So here, if we went into the source code for JUCE, let's take a look. If we can find the oscillator JUCE DSP widgets, JUCE oscillator. Let's take a look at it. Here is the class. It has public members, oscillator, and oscillator with function. We are now at step 39 with Ninja. I think this is the moment. Oh god, we've got another error here. Is this the same error we got last time? It's a problem with linking again. What did we do last time? Oh, we just ignored it. I thought the problem would be fixed if I deleted build. Okay, so I think this might be it for today. We haven't made any visible progress. We still can't just build our JUCE oscillator app, but what's slowing me down is that Ninja and CMake taking so long to build, so I have to wait like 10 minutes for me to see my changes taking effect. So we have passed the compiling process, but we are stuck at the linking step now. So maybe tomorrow we can figure this out. So see you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.